Hey Wrangler 4xe fans, it's day 2 of my experiment with wiring up my little cable here to the my trailer harness, and we're going to see what happens here. The question was asked, what about when the adaptive cruise control fires the brakes when you're driving along? So as you can see, there's some cars stopping up ahead, and I don't know if you saw that. It was hard to feel it, of course, but those brake lights actually came on before it started decelerating. Just a half a second before. It was like the system saw what was going to happen and came on just a little bit ahead of time. So I think we're going to come over the top of this hill, and I think we're going to have another scenario where it stops for us, and yeah, this is going to work. So here you go. Just watch the speed and watch what's going on. Again, I couldn't tell which came first there, if the lights came first or if the deceleration came first, but they're really close together. Now, if you don't know about the adaptive cruise control, it will not hold the brakes for long. And what we'll see here is it'll give me, oh, well, it didn't happen quick enough. But there you see that the brake lights let off and it just resumes normal acceleration. One last time, I have my cruise control set at 41, and we're gonna let it do its thing. I don't know, it might have decelerated a little bit there before the brake lights came on. It was just a fraction of a second difference there. So there's a little demonstration of what it does when you're working on adaptive cruise control, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for the question that came from the community. I'll see ya.